Good morning, people. I'm in Wiesbaden now. I had just really tough morning. Really tough. I didn't manage to film video which I arrived here, but it was really crazy.
Turn left. Head in direction to west.
Really crazy. Unloading also. I have 5 meter doors, 6 of them, and street is, I don't know how much, 450, 490, I don't know. So it's really stressful. I arrived here 8:30, 9, 2 hours for 6 doors. Okay. Good. But main problem is arrive here. I was drive to some villages.
Meters, turn right.
Crazy. Okay. I think this is something for old people, some hospital or something. Okay, that's great, that's great, that's great.
Turn right.
Can you, baby, wait a little bit? I don't know what happened with this lady. Good. Now only have to drive. I'm going out to company to load. Then later I'm going to Fulda. It's river here.
After 200 meters, turn left.
Okay, there's some bus coming. Good. So far it's good. I don't know, did I tell you, but I'm in Wiesbaden now. It's a really nice city near Frankfurt. I just have to see where I have to drive. Okay. Go. Have to go like this. I have to choose only which tire I have to destroy. It's no question, will I, only which is better to destroy. Whoa, yeah. 2.4 meters. Man. Ah, shit. The trees here is 2.4 meters, so I have to drive on the left. Okay. not problemo. We will drive on the left side of the street.
After 200 meters
Bum,
at
bum,
the
bum.
traffic circle, take the first exit.
It's crazy here, eh? But it's beautiful. I like Wiesbaden. It is maybe the most beautiful city for me. Hamburg and Wiesbaden. I don't know why, but it is.
Take
Okay.
the first exit.
I have to forget to put my seat belt. Shit, he was scared.
After 100 meters at the traffic circle, take the third exit.
Okay, seat belt is on. When you have such a small
Take the third exit.
when you have big cities, you can expect small streets, small everything. Blinker, lady, blinker. Every circle driving is.
You are entering a zone for deliveries only.
I'm hitting the trottoir. Okay. Here is really beautiful houses and everything. So today is Thursday. I have to go to Fulda, unload full truck for one customer, then go back to the company and load for tomorrow. And waiting next week 2 days and go to holidays. Crazy. Take the left lane and then turn right.
Turn left.
It's really clever.
Right. Then turn left.
left.
Then after 100 meters, turn left. In the direction of Wiesbaden.
Highway.
Turn left. Please follow the route for 3 kilometers.
Signal Iduna Park is sponsored Borussia Dortmund. It's named Signal Iduna Park in Dortmund. Very nice, 5 degrees outside. This morning was really big fog, and when I was arrived it was I have to drive 30 some hill, big hill and everything, and I didn't see anything, but I was able to manage to arrive to Wiesbaden. But when I arrived there is no people. Some truck crane has arrived. He doesn't want because it was not good, the floor, it's not floor, the yard, it's not good. He doesn't want to go there. Then we are waiting to these people from this company. Then I stay maybe 1 hour waiting those people. Then when they arrive, also they have to with hand to unload everything. It's a really big and heavy door, but they're able to manage that and everything finish.
Take the right lane. Then, after 900 meters, keep right. Then, keep
What
left.
the hell is this with this? Okay. I wanna drive to Frankfurt. They told me to go left, but I have to go right. Did they close Frankfurt? Ah, no, they leave a little bit space here. Good, great.
Keep right. Then keep left.
Good. Keep right.
Keep left.
Okay.
After 500 meters, keep left.
Here in Germany is locked down now, and until 9 at 9 p.m. until 5 a.m. is not allowed to go outside, and only people who must work or something like that.
Keep left.
I didn't yet able to see on internet what's happening, but the problem is
6 kilometers.
I don't know what's happening. If you want to go outside or something like that during the day, they told yeah, you can go to walk and everything, go to shopping, but only for food and that's medicament and everything. And I didn't watch what is exactly, but I was yesterday is also locked down. At yesterday was start, today 17, and I was Everything was normal to me. I don't know, I was going
Take
to
the
shopping
three
and
right
everything.
lanes. Then, after 5 kilometers, take the
Only
exit
different now
in
is
the direction of Basel.
we must now take a mask also on parking places, not on the street, but when you arrive to buy some food, for example Rewe, Lidl, something like that, you can you have to wear your mask. Get France company, my brother work here, and we will see what will happen. I hope it will be able to a little bit, not going to the crowd, but during these holidays go somewhere to walk and to see something, you know. It's important to finish this situation, but we will see what will happen. So people, I wanna say you stay safe, be safe, avoid crowds and everything, and try to be positive in this negative time, but we will see. I wish you good luck during this holidays and everything, and every time now. See you in some another videos. Bye. Get Trans BAG, this is German police for traffic and trucks. Bye.